Hello everyone and welcome to that beautiful Easter Sunday. I'm in Cologne for you with my Canon EOS R5 and the RF 24 to 105mm. I may switch the lens. I have the 50mm 1.2 with me and the 14 to 35mm. I'm just walking through this beautiful city to take some pictures. I will collect some impressions for you. If you have any questions regarding that city or the equipment, please do not hesitate to write a comment below. And now enjoy that beautiful Sunday Easter walk through Cologne. If you wonder about the backpack, that's my camera backpack from KNF Concept. which has space for about 2 bodies and about 3 lenses. Most of the time I'm around using my Canon EOS R6 and the Canon EOS R5. With the 24-105, I most of the time have a 35mm lens with me as well, and obviously a wide angle lens, and sometimes the telephoto lens, that's the 70-200mm 2.8, and all of them fit in this camera bag, which opens from this side here, so no one is able to steal something from behind. That's what I'm doing to get to know a city. Keep walking, doesn't matter where you start, take your camera out and just keep walking through a city. That's one of the best ways to find great spots for taking pictures or videos, or to get to know other people. Just keep walking. In Cologne on a Easter Sunday, because there's like no one. I mean, this kind of area here, I used to be here quite a few years ago and it was completely overloaded with people, but at the moment there's like no one, which makes it quite fascinating to take some pictures of all these buildings here without too many people in between. If you ever plan on visiting Cologne with your car, you can do that on a public holiday, which is super nice because you don't have to pay for parking. Usually during a normal working day it's about €1 per 15 minutes, and there's the time frame between 9 and 23 local time, which is quite expensive to park basically everywhere around. But if you don't want to have any stress with your car, with an overloaded city or traffic jam, make sure to go here during a public holiday. For me, the side streets are particularly interesting because there are not too many people around. You see things that other people might not see, and it's great for taking pictures. See that this building here might not be here in 1 year from now, or they restore it, I have no idea. And I think that's the Cologne Cathedral. Yes, indeed it is. So that's the landmark of Cologne. I'm pretty sure you have seen that. Oh my goodness. Have a look at all these cables hanging down there. See, that is kind of the interesting stuff for me. I've never been to Cologne without seeing the Cologne Cathedral, without any construction site. It's unbelievable. They're building here for years and years and years. And if they have rebuilt or whatever they are doing on one side, they're starting again on the other side. here in the area of the central station. I noted that building here. Looks kind of interesting. I might get some shots there with my super wide angle 14 to 35mm lens. Well, in this case, obviously I can use a longer shutter speed or more ISO, but I want to do some post editing on this picture here, and it's nice that the light is falling into that direction here onto the building, so I leave it the way it is. Shutter speed 200 of a second, f5.6 and ISO 200. You can buy all the stuff that I used to create this video using the links in the video description. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to follow me on Telegram and Instagram, and see you very soon. Tschüss aus Köln!